sauce with a lot of toppings.
Yay! So why do we choose French toast?
When we want to make a sweet breakfast. It's also very easy to cook.
Really? I didn't know that.
So, before we get started to the actual part of our cooking show, let's see what we need as well as the ingredients.
First, we will need a measuring cup, measuring spoon, mixer, chopstick, bowl, and pan.
For the ingredients, we need milk, bread, sugar, butter, egg, strawberry, whipped cream, and maple syrup.
Let's start cooking show.
First, mix egg. Mix egg. Okay, I mix eggs. And 1 cup of and 1 cup of sugar. And mix together.
Next, rice butter about over medium high heat.
Butter.
Then dunk the bowl in the bread.
Next, transfer to the pan until golden. Three minutes for per side.
Let's talk about what we eat at lunch.
Oh, that's good idea. So, Leo, what did you eat for your lunch?
I ate 양념 chicken, rice, and corn soup.
Oh, that's great. Let's check. It's good, I think.
Do you have any questions?
Why did you cook French toast?
Because it's so easy
And it's yummy.
and it's yummy. So it's done.
Now, transfer to the plate.
Finish by adding whipped cream, maple syrup to here, and your choice of fruit.
And that concludes our cooking show. We hope you are learning so are too.
Again, we are your host, Hodaka.
Mana?
Leo, and Lenka. And special thanks to ABC David's for sponsoring our